To begin to think like a psychologist, 3 main skills need to be practiced over and over. In this set of videos, we will be practicing one of those skills, summarizing research that we read. This is a skill that you will be able to practice in the no-stress environment of the formative assessments, demonstrate in the low-stress environment of the worksheets, and show off in the high-stress environment of the tests. The goal with this set of videos is to help you be able to quickly and accurately summarize research. This will be important to you in this class, but it will also be important if you go on to be a psychologist, or really a scientist of any kind, need to read research for work, or want to stay abreast of scientific developments as a well-informed citizen. Summarizing research has a few main components. First, it is important to be able to describe the point of the research and characterize the hypotheses. Second, we need to be able to identify and characterize the variables involved. Finally, we need to be able to tell if we should believe the results or not. Each of these areas will have their own videos, but I'll give you an overview here. I recommend that you watch each video now and then review them as necessary. The first step to summarizing research is to be able to describe the research itself. First, we focus on identifying the research question. This is the big picture question, the whole reason why we do the research at all. We then need to identify the hypotheses, both null and alternative. Finally, we need to be able to tell if the alternative hypothesis is directional or not. After we have this basic level understanding of the research, we need to dive into specifics about the variables in the research. We need to be able to characterize each variable by name, scale of measurement, levels, and manipulation or type of non-manipulated variable. We also need to be able to operationally define the variable, and then think creatively about if the variable is valid or not. We need to be able to do this for all variables in the study, predictors, and the outcome. Finally, based on what we thought about earlier, we need to say if we actually believe the research or not. We also, of course, need to give a reason for our belief. Remember, science is conservative, so we need stronger reasons to accept a conclusion than to reject one. In truth, summarizing research is a difficult and time-consuming task. You will need to be prepared to think long and hard about what you've read. As such, I made a host of videos to help you with this. There are a total of 8 videos, each of these designed to help you with a different aspect of summarizing research. Some of the concepts are simple, so their videos are short. Some concepts, like construct validity, are complicated, so their videos are long. There's something to learn in each of them, so please watch and re-watch as often as necessary.